What's up, Fit Fam? We're out here in Manila, Philippines. I got a Filipina here. What is your name and age?
Isai, I'm 25. My name is Isai. I'm 25 years old and I'm living in Pasay, but I'm in from Bacolod City. That's it.
Okay. Okay, awesome. Are you single, married, dating? What's your situation?
Single.
Okay.
No, not dating, not dating.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
Why are you single?
I just only just fun and work workaholic girl, just for work and no other things.
Okay, so basically you're focusing on your career.
Yes, I am.
All right, so what is it going to take for a guy to convince you to make some time to go on a date?
Oh, just simple and kind. That's it. No other things. As long as you respect me, that's it. No,
And there's been no simple, kind guys that respect you?
have, but I don't want because I am focusing at work instead of entertaining people this day. That's
Okay,
why.
but what
before I have in a relationship.
but what if the guy can afford to show you a better time than your work is showing you?
My work is sales assistant. Then here is not really not in mall, but if guy wanted to ask me for a going date, it's fine then also because I'm open up also about it.
Okay. Do you want to be married?
Not planning for married because today in the generations there's a lot of married people but always split or got divorced. That's why I don't want to.
So
I'm not thinking about married. That's
so instead of figuring out how to have a successful marriage, you just don't even want to try?
yeah, want first because it's not really before it was my dream to get married, but for now it's the generation. It's really not good thing to do.
Yeah, but the generation is the generation. You're an individual, so you still
Oh.
have to make sure that you have what you want and what you need. Or you think
As long as I can find the peace of that guy, maybe I will accept that what is a married.
yeah, but see you're saying two conflicting things. You're saying I don't care for marriage because it fails, so I'm not going to try, but if I find the good guy, then what? You see what I mean?
Oh yeah, I know. I know.
Like you're either trying to do something or you're not. You know what I mean?
Oh yes, it is because most is it married is good, but for me, I think because of my realization before, it's not worse for me. It's not worse for
Okay.
me.
What about as you get older, as you age? You don't think that you're going to need a husband as you get into your older
I think,
years? Okay. Give me your name, your age, and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Sheen. I'm 25 from Batangas.
Batangas. What is the most beautiful island in the Philippines? I don't think it's Batangas.
I don't think so. I recommend Siargao.
Say it one more time.
Siargao, you know Siargao?
I don't. That's why I said say it for me and them.
For me, I recommend Siargao. It's the best. I mean, it's the best beach in the Philippines.
Most beautiful beach?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect. All right. Are you single, married, or dating?
single.
Okay. Why are you single?
For now, I think I'm not financially stable to be in a relationship. I prefer like I have my own money. I can provide something for myself. I don't like going on a guy just relying on him like when we're going on a date. I like 50-50.
Okay. What if you like the guy, but he doesn't like 50-50?
What do you mean? It's like it's me who will provide or it's him who will provide.
Okay. Let's say we were dating, and you actually liked me, but I was insulted by your 50-50 notion.
Actually, it doesn't need to be like 50-50 for now. For example, on our first date, you pay, and then on the next date, I pay.
How about I don't want you paying for any dates?
Then that's okay also.
How about if I'm only comfortable with you paying for every 10th date? Every 10th date. After 9 dates, you can pay for the 10th one. 9 more, you can pay for the 20th.
I think it's good to be get a baby instead of husband.
Huh? Yeah, but you need a husband to have a baby.
It's also it's good if I got a husband and a baby. It's good also. It's a good for having a peace of mind. But for now, thinking of about as a young age,
Yeah, you
Not
keep
really.
saying for now. I'm talking about the future.
In the future?
Nobody can stop time. So time is
Maybe.
gonna happen anyway. Everybody's gonna get older. So we have to prepare for it. It's inevitable. So the same way you're saying you're focusing on your career, but then you're also saying you would have a baby. You can't have a baby and focus on your career. So it's the husband that would have to focus on the career while you focus on the baby. That's why marriage is necessary.
It is. For me, the if it that guy is good for me also, it's okay to get married. It's okay. So if in the future really because I can see in myself that like, I got a boyfriend or something because I'm focusing all the time. Especially I'm a breadwinner like that. So I don't think about marrying.
It's a lot of ifs. You're putting a lot of ifs. Like you're waiting for something to happen on its own, but you would have to put some effort. So let me ask you this: how do you feel about foreign men, foreigners? There's a lot of guys coming from the Western cultures interested in dating Filipino women, in particular. What do you think about those guys?
It was good because some of my family has got also from Western and other country that married. So they are good. They are also good and they are kind, respectable, and also the what you call this, how to communicate people. It's better. It's not a questionable to entertain something or other country. It's fine if it's open.
Yeah, because they're not using words like if. They're specifically looking for wives to have families. There's no if component.
It's okay for me. It's good
Right.
to be in a relationship with the other country instead of other people here.
So don't you
I
think that's a
just-
don't you
I
think
just
that's a
prefer-
better don't you think that's a better strategy than
Yeah,
the if maybe sort of kind of thing that you're talking about?
Yes, it is. It's better because I'm more preferred from other country than the Filipino people.
Okay, so what culture or country in particular would be your preference? Come more this way. I think you're slipping out of the frame.
Maybe Korean or
You said Korea?
Australian? No.
Korea? You said Korea?
Yeah.
Okay, Korea.
Yeah, Korea.
Or Australian?
Australian or Korea. That's the two people I wanted to be in the future to be married like that.
Why?
Or to know.
What do you like about Korean men?
Korean is caring also always because before I have a Korean boyfriend, that's why I know how to handle the other girl and then how to respect, and sometimes
What happened to that boyfriend?
their family is not okay for other Filipino people, so that's why.
So because his family didn't accept you, he broke up with you?
Yeah, it is. And then
How old is this guy?
It was good still communicating, but it's
No, how old is he?
30.
Yeah, he should be old enough to stand up for himself.
Yeah.
So what about Australian guys do you like?
I think that's okay.
Okay, some men find that insulting. Have you ever dated a Muslim guy?
No.
Okay, don't ever mention paying when you're with a Muslim guy. It's very insulting. Fair enough? All right, how long was your longest relationship?
5 years.
5 years? Wow, and you're 25? Was it recent?
I think we're not compatible. It's like while we are together, we find a lot of reasons, and I mean, like that we are not ready for each other. And also cheating.
You cheated on him?
No,
Why you cheated on him?
no, it's not me.
Okay, how many times did he cheat on you before you broke up with him? Or how many times did you catch him?
3.
3? Have you ever heard the expression that as a lady, either you give one man many chances or you give many men one chance?
All I know is that I keep giving him chance, but again,
Okay, what do you think is better? You think it's better for a woman to try multiple men, right? Or give multiple men a chance, and every time they mess up, she goes on to another man? Or do you think it's better that she gives one man multiple chances and tries to work it out with him?
I think it's more. I'm not saying that it's better to give him like chance, but I think everyone deserves a chance, so it's okay. I mean, for me, you need to give someone a chance.
No. Someone new a chance or the same person more than one chance?
No, that same person.
Yeah, because people make mistakes,
Yeah.
and guys, our mistakes are different than your mistakes. So maybe his mistake is cheating, but your mistake is something else, and he's accepting your mistakes.
Yeah. So I need to give him a chance. I think
No, I'm not saying that a guy should keep on doing the same thing over and over again. That's ridiculous. I'm just saying that you have to be a little bit understanding because how old was this guy? He was a young guy, no?
For now, nothing.
It's cooler over here.
Uh, for now, for dating or something.
Yeah, you said you would like a Australian husband.
Australian, because of my aunties get an Australian for almost 15 years, so I admire them for their relationship. No hesitation, no dirty man. Had a peace in all the matters. And every time got quarrel, they get talk each other, and the communication is really good. That's why.
So if you have good examples like your auntie and your uncle-in-law, then why are you even concerned with the generation what other people are doing?
For now, because more people generation today are the other.
No, I'm saying why do you even care about that? You said you have good examples like your auntie to follow. So why would you even be concerned with the bad examples of the generation? You're closer to your auntie than you are to the other people in your generation.
I know what I mean because for me it's not really something to enter in a relationship for now. But you said in the future you can.
Wait, you're 25, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me let you in on a secret. At 25, you're at your maximum value for a new wife. As you get older, you're not going to be more desirable as a wife. That's a reality, especially the guys that are in a better position, better providers, more successful, have more status. Those guys are going to pick their preference, not what they have to settle for. And their preference is going to be around 24 to 26 as a new wife. You understand what I mean? You're not new at 30. You're still a young woman in your early 20s. You're not a young woman in your 30s. You've already lived life. You've already dated other guys. That's not a new wife.
Oh, not yet. I'm not dating other guy.
I don't think you understand what I'm trying to say.
You in my 25 as
Okay, let me ask this. Do you have certain requirements, certain things that you would like your husband to have, certain characteristics? Do you want your husband to be able to be a provider, to be able
No,
to
I
earn
want- I
money and
want-
take care of your family?
No. I wanted to be as me also as working, and then we together working. So I don't like only the guy provide us.
Okay, let's try this.
I was
Let's
independent.
let's try this, right? Let's say me and you, okay, are trying to do a project together. We're trying to paint a house,
Paint a house.
right?
Oh.
Okay, but I'm taller than you. I'm more comfortable going up on a ladder. Okay, wouldn't it make more sense for me to paint the stuff at the top while you paint the stuff at the bottom because you're better at that and I'm better at this? It'll be better to get the job done. So if the most efficient way to build and to raise your family is for the man to go out and earn and you stay home and take care of the children, do you see how you earning the money is not really important? It's not the best thing for the family.
what do you mean?
How old was the guy that cheated on you?
Same age.
Exactly, that's a young guy. So it's tough when you're a young guy and you have the ability to sleep with women. It's hard to say no, just like it's hard for a young, beautiful woman to turn down attention from other men. Now, just because she doesn't actually cheat doesn't mean it's not the same value. A woman receiving attention from other men is the same as a man receiving sex from other women. Obviously, you don't see it that way because sex has a different value to you. But attention has a different value to us. I don't care how many women give me attention. That's like me running a store and people keep coming in and inquiring about the product, but they never buy it. I don't give a shit. You're asking me a million questions, but you don't buy anything. I'm not interested in that, right? Women are interested in that attention. You know what I mean? Okay. How do you feel about foreign guys, particularly guys that are interested in coming to the Philippines and dating Filipinos?
I don't mind any nationality. Actually, I never date Filipino. I prefer other nationality.
Okay, what's your favorite?
I only try Malaysian and Chinese.
Say it one more time.
Malaysian and Chinese.
Wow, Polynesian and
No,
Chinese.
Malaysian.
Oh, Malaysian. What? All right, so okay, let's start with the Chinese. With the Chinese man. What do you like about Chinese guys?
No. He's my first boyfriend, but we didn't stay for too long.
So you got a soft spot for the Chinese man.
Then the Malaysian
Oh.
one is the one that I date.
You like a Chinese, huh? Oh. Okay, so the Malaysian guys, what do you like about Malaysian guys?
The guy that I stay for 5 years.
So you're only saying the guys that you had expect. You see how women are? It's personal stuff. It's always personal with you guys. All right, so would you try a Western guy? Would you try a Canadian, an Australian, an American?
Yes.
You give it a shot?
Yeah.
What about a black guy? What about a Moleno, huh?
Anything, I mean, any nationality is okay.
All right. She said she'll give you a try, guys. All right, she got to go because she's got to go find her another Malaysian.
No.
Say, all right, say goodbye to the people and a happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year.
You might find your Chinese man because it's Chinese New Year's next
I
week.
no longer like Chinese.
Mixed signals. All right, guys, we're out here. Peace.
Money is important when it comes to our needs, but for
Yes,
me,
but if the husband can cover that, is my point.
yeah,
If he doesn't
most-
need your money to take care of the family,
Yes.
you would be better suited to stay home and take care of the children. The children need you.
I can take care of my children both, but I don't want to. Only my husband can do that. All some other necessary like necessities or something that he can on. He can provide also, but I don't like that all the time. Only my husband will be provide on our needs.
Okay.
What if
Who leads the household? The man or the woman?
household woman?
The woman leads the
Yes.
household?
Yes,
I mean, leads the relationship.
in a relationship.
Yeah, you keep
Both.
stepping up.
Both, both, more in a relationship, more has husband.
Okay, so if he decides that he would rather you stay home and take care of the children and be home with the house, what is your concern that he's the one making the most of the money?
I will make it business or something that can do online business.
Okay, perfect.
That-
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, that works.
If it's work, then it's good for us. Then I can help.
You're
also.
fixated on being an earner.
Yes.
That's a masculine trait.
Yes.
That's like the guy being fixated on changing diapers and making bottles.
Yes, because it's not good that he is earning. Then I'm only at house
Says who?
without.
Hold on. Says who?
without knowing right.
Who says that it's not good?
I mean, for me, because more other people, when I saw other blogging something, girls are always at house. Then they are also thinking about what if again like that. So they are also doing that. Some business can do for their needs also, not only for their husband's provider. You understand what I mean?
I do, but I just think you're brainwashed into thinking that's
I'm-
not set in concrete. That could be the situation. It could not be the situation. It depends on what's best for the family, primarily what's best for the children. That's what I'm getting at. That's what's best. Me personally, I prefer my woman to be at home with my children because I want my children to be homeschooled.
It's good.
I don't want my children being taught by strangers.
Yes.
So I'd rather the woman teaching at home. If she has a online business at home, that's perfect. That's awesome. As long as my children are the priority is what I'm saying. They get her attention first and foremost. Yeah?
Yes, being a mother, also good to you are the role model and the first teacher to your children.
Exactly. All right, fair enough. All right, thank you. Finally get in the camera so they can see you. All right.
See you.
Tell them
Subscribe to
and
your blog.
ask for some Australian guys to come see you. She's making an invite, guys.
Thank you for welcome here. What's your blog?
Vlog? Oh, you can say Authentic Alphas.
Yes. Okay. Hi, welcome to the Philippines. Thank you for inviting me here, interviewing, and a little bit. See you.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Like and subscribe.
For the boys, leave a like and leave a comment on Authentic Alphas. Hit that bell.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Real shit.
Have a great night. Happy New Year. We'll
Happy
see you
New Year,
later.
man.
Hey, be
Hey,
safe.
Hey, man, I love you guys,
Have a good
man.
one.
Live life, brother.